Hey guys, it's Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So Sony has just launched their brand new premium 1000X Mark IV wireless headphones in India and I'm like super excited because I just got my hands on this product. See, 1000X Mark IV is Sony's flagship level wireless headphones that comes with top class active noise cancellation. Their previous gen 1000X Mark III was already good in terms of sound quality and noise cancellation, but with the introduction of this new 1000X Mark IV, Sony has taken this game to the next level, guys. This new model, the Mark IV, comes with a lot of new improvements and additional smart features compared to the previous gen Mark III. So on this model, they've introduced like multi-point connectivity feature and a lot of smart features. First thing is, it's got that new speak to chat feature and also quick attention and a lot of other awesome features which I'll be telling you in this video, guys. So what I'll do is I'll quickly unbox it and show you how these headphones look like. Let's get started. So Sony's new flagship 1000X Mark IV come in this sort of box packaging. Very similar to the 1000X Mark III packaging, but let me tell you, there are a lot of new features added on this new 1000X Mark IV. We've got the Sony branding and the model of the headphones on the front, the WH-1000XM4. Sony says that these offer industry-leading noise cancellation and compared to their previous Gen M3, this one reduces 15 to 20% more noise. That is something that I'll have to check and let you guys know later in the video. So they offer a lot of features like 360-degree reality audio support, come with Google Assistant and built-in Alexa, offer high-res audio and plenty of other features. Going to the backside, we've got some more details like it's got NFC support, has a smart sense engine, supports LDAC as well and DSEE Extreme also. See, it's their new killer flagship headphones, guys, so yes, it's got everything you need. Well, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear this outer cover. There we go. By the way, these headphones are available in two different colors, black and white. The one we have right now is a black color variant. So at the top, we've got an instructions guide on how to pair and use it, and below that we've got the headphones nicely packed in this carry case. It's a hard shell case and looks really premium. We'll just come back to that in a moment. First, let's see what else we get in the package. There's some paperwork here with a free trial for 360-degree reality audio service and a user manual. Make sure to read that. Now let's check out the case. So as I've told you just now, the 1000X Mark IV are inside this and let me tell you, the finishing of this hard case is pretty good. Love the ash color, has a net at the backside and can be quite useful to carry the headphones anywhere. Let's open it and finally check out the product. Wow, that is a stunner. Let me just take them out and show you. Just look at that beautiful finishing. Pretty similar to the Mark III from my first look, but let me tell you, I love that black color with copperish gold accents. Along with the headphones, you get some accessories as well. There's a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable, a conversion plug adapter for in-flight use, and a USB Type-C cable for charging. Well, these were all the items you got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the headphones, the brand new 1000X Mark IV from Sony. These are premium wireless headphones that offer top class noise cancellation and comes with a lot of smart features. We've got the Sony branding on both the sides in copperish gold accents and below that on the left ear cup, you'll find the NFC spot for quick connection. If you ask about the build quality is top notch. It's made of polycarbonate material and has a soft touch matte finishing. The headphones have a foldable design and yes, the ear cups can also be swiveled. The weight is also like pretty similar to the previous gen only, around 251 grams. Let's check out the connectivity ports. On the left ear cup, it's got an aux port, a power button with a status LED indicator, and a custom button that can be assigned to either assistant or noise cancelling function. On the other side, you just have a Type-C port for charging and a charging status indicator. And yeah guys, I forgot to mention, the right ear cup features a touch panel with tap and swipe gestures to easily control the music. Coming to the headband has the 1000X Mark IV logo on it as you can see over here and can be easily extended like this to fit almost any head size. It's got decent amount of padding on the top side. And coming to the cushioning on the ear cups, the material used looks like artificial leather and feels really soft and spongy. Also, if you can observe closely, there's a proximity sensor in the left ear cup. So this sensor works together with two acceleration sensors to automatically play or pause the music whenever you put them on or take them off accordingly. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the sound. The 1000X Mark IV are lightweight and feel quite comfortable to wear, and as soon as you put them on, you will be blown away by its noise cancellation. It was already like good on the Mark III, but on the Mark IV, Sony has made it even better with improved algorithms. I'll tell you about this at a later part as there's a lot to talk about it. And coming to the sound, wow, as usual, love the sound quality on the 1000X series. See, it's their flagship headphone, guys, and you can expect nothing less from Sony. The M4 carries the same 40mm drivers from the M3, and on the overall, they feel quite similar in terms of audio quality. The mids are crisp and clear with great vocal clarity. These are high-res certified headphones and offer a frequency response range from 20 to 40 kHz while using in the LDAC mode. And let me tell you, the high frequency response was very good on them. It was producing silky smooth treble. And talking about the low frequencies, the bass response was pretty good. It was warm, punchy, was producing the right amount of bass, and the sound stage was also wide and satisfying. One more thing to note here is they also have DSE Extreme support as I mentioned earlier. It automatically upscales your lossy compressed music files and restores fine details in the music to offer a rich listening experience. See, basically put in simple terms for a normal consumer, you are going to experience amazing quality sound on these headphones. I can surely say these are one of the best headphones I've used till now. Okay guys, so let me share you my experience about ANC on these headphones. See, noise cancelling on these headphones is top class guys. Hands down, this is the best active noise cancelling wireless headphones I've used till now. See, I've used the Mark III also previously, right? And compared to that, there is definitely an improvement in the noise reduction. It greatly reduces the background noises, unnecessary low frequency sounds like that fan noise and construction sounds and stuff like that. Definitely works and greatly reduces that kind of sound. Very impressed with the noise cancelling on this model. So yeah, that was about the noise cancelling. And if you ask about the modes, well, it's got like 3 modes that you can choose from using the custom button. First one is the noise cancelling on mode, which is what I told you just now. And the second one is called as the ambient sound mode. When this mode is enabled, it lowers down the effect of noise cancellation so you can better understand like what's happening around you. And lastly, the third mode is noise cancellation off. So these were the 3 different noise cancelling modes available on the Sony 1000X Mark IV. Now let me tell you about the smart features that Sony has introduced on this headset. So there are 2 modes I'd like to talk about. First one is called as the speak to chat feature. Now this is a very interesting feature guys. Let me give you an example and tell you how this thing works. So suppose you're wearing the headphones, listening to music, and you want to ask a question to somebody or have a conversation with someone. You don't actually need to take out the headphones or even stop playing the music on your phone. Once you start talking, the headphones will detect that and it will automatically pause the music then and there, and also reduces the noise cancelling effect so you can actually hear ambient sound without taking off the headphones. Then you can have a conversation with the person, and after you're done with that, the headphones will automatically start playing the music after a particular period of time, which you can set from the headphones connect app. The minimum time period was like 15 seconds guys. So after this period, the music will start playing automatically. This is a very interesting feature and works pretty well as well. Accurately detects the voice whenever you start speaking and enables this function. And the second one is called as quick attention. So whenever you're just wearing the headset, somebody comes and starts having a conversation with you, you don't need to pause the music here also. Just put your finger on the touch panel of the headset, and what will happen is the headphones will detect that and lower down the volume to minimum level so that you can hear what the other person is talking and you can have a conversation. And once you're done with that, just take out your hand and the volume level will go back to its initial position. Very useful features. And lastly, it also has the headphones also supports like multi-point connectivity. So at the same time, simultaneously you can connect up to 2 Bluetooth devices and seamlessly, switch between these 2 devices as per your requirement. Very nice features, guys. So these were the smart features on the 1000X Mark IV. Alright guys, so let me tell you about the microphone quality on this headphone. See, instead of me sharing my experience about the mic quality, I've decided that I'll let you guys only decide how the mic quality is. The audio that you're hearing right now in this video is recorded from this mic only, the mic on the 1000X Mark IV, and this is how it sounds like. Hello, check 1, 2, 3. So what do you guys think about the microphone quality on the headphones? You guys only let me know in the comment section down below. And if you ask about the background noise cancellation, what I'll do is I have a mechanical keyboard over here, right? It makes like really clicky sounds. While talking, I'll just keep making sounds on this keyboard and see if this picks it up. You guys let me know if you're able to hear the keyboard clicky sound. As you can see right now, I'm clicking, pressing all the keys on my keyboard. It's actually pretty loud. So let me know if you're able to hear them in the background. You know, you'll get an idea on the background noise cancellation effect. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Based on my recent experience, I've used quite a few headphones in the recent times, and I feel that microphone quality, background noise cancellation on these headphones was doing a pretty good job.
We're almost coming to an end, guys, so let me tell you about the battery life before we wrap up the video. The battery life is like pretty much similar to the M3. On an average at 75% volume level, we were getting around like 25 to 26 hours of battery life with the active noise cancellation turned on. And the best part is it also supports quick charging. Sony says that a 10-minute charge will offer you around like 5 hours of music playtime. Well, that's it for today. That was my review on Sony's new 1000X Mark IV wireless headphones. Hands down, these are the best noise cancelling wireless headphones you can get right now in the market. Offer great comfort, amazing sound, plenty of useful smart features, and excellent battery life. And also, to access all those smart features on the headphones, you need to connect them via Headphones Connect app only, then only you will be able to enable them. These headphones cost around like 28,500 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.